Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone here in Fort Myers, Florida. I am glad you're here. I've had a busy day. I just finished my first teaching class at the Alliance for the Arts in Fort Myers. It was wonderful. It's a wonderful organization that has a glorious gallery and beautiful classrooms and all kinds of wonderful things going on. And they invited me to teach and put me down for a couple of times a month, and I'm excited. Met some new friends today, saw some lovely faces, and just had a blast. Teaching is my jam. I love it. I love it. Today is my Patreon challenge, and I'm very excited about that. We do it about once a month, and every month one of my patrons gets to pick the challenge, and it's usually the one who wins the last challenge, which was the lovely Geneva Baker. And it's pretty easy, except for one thing. For this girl, the challenge was, you must use blue. You must use a blow dryer, which is not this girl's jam, and you must use some texture. So I'm going for it. I'm going for it, guys. And my other patrons, my peeps who are participating in this, they will follow. Those who have a YouTube channel will follow us. There'll be a playlist in the description box. And then the ones who don't have a YouTube channel, I will be posting pictures of their art throughout this this video. I'm as proud as can be. I'm a proud mama of my patrons. They are talented. They are wonderful. They're just really good people, and I'm very lucky to have them as part of this painting journey. Thank you to my patrons. I love you guys. Okay. 11 by 14 canvas, must use blue, must use a blow dryer, must use some texture. That's no problem for this girl. And I'm going to start off with the blow dryer. Let's talk about our paints. Our base coat color right here, also inspired from Geneva Baker, who made Rick and I a beautiful wedding gift that she delivered to Asheville. And it reminded me how much I love this paint. And I happen to have several bottles of it. That is DecoArt Metallics, and that is their Obsidian. Yummy, yummy color. We also have it in this cup right here. So that's going to be our base coat, where we use a base coat. This is beautiful, becoming one of my new favorite shades. Golden Fluids, alizarin crimson hue in the fluid paint. This was a lot easier to mix than the heavier body DecoArt paints. This is another DecoArt. A lot of people are afraid of this, and I love this paint. This is DecoArt Metallics, and that is their pewter, which is one of my blues. And then we also have Treasure Gold in the blue quartz by Folk Art. Look at that. Isn't that delicious? Yummy, yummy colors. And for funsies, Vallejo Pearl Medium. Now, all of my paints, including this, are mixed the same way, except for my base coat. These are mixed with a squirt of Golden GAC 800 in all the paints, and then my pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium. I put my paint in the cup. I squirt all the cups with GAC 800, stir that up really, really good, and then I add my pouring medium. We are about 1 part paint to 2.5 parts pouring medium, and a squirt of water. Squirt of water in all the paints with the exception of the fluid paint. It was already very fluid. Our base coat color, it's mixed a little bit different. It is mixed with the Amsterdam pouring medium, and that's it. 1 part paint, 2.5 parts Amsterdam pouring medium, and a bit of water to get it down to a thin consistency. It leaves just a little bit of a trace before it falls into the paint below. So we're going to start off with the upper part of this canvas using a handy dandy blow dryer, which has a cool setting on it. I believe Karen from Waterfall Acrylics gifted this to me when I went down to visit her a year or so ago in Virginia. She lives very close to my daughter and her family. So what else? I don't know. I love these challenges. Love you, Taneva Baker. Thank you so much for the challenge. Love my peeps. I'm as happy as a pig in poop, as my daddy used to say. Let's put some music on. Let's get busy.
Hi patrons, this is Ellen with the May Challenge. I use texture paste in the sand at the bottom of the sea and the turtles playing in the grasses. I use brown texture paste for them. The seagrasses are prior canvases. The coral reef are Kuzo paper, shells, and prior canvases. The bubbles are prior canvases and Kuzo papers. And then the stencil of air coming out is just gold and aqua paint. She was a lot of work, but I had a lot of fun making her and learned lots. Take care.
'cause you turn me on to my heart's desire. Now I'm dying to let you know what I feel is some kind of wonderful, some kind of magical woman. My love's for real. I need to show you right now. Take a look at me now. I can't explain for the life of me what you did to me when I met you last summer. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. I'm wide awake and the step that I take is to celebrate what my heart is discovering. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. Yeah, we're walking on cloud nine. Yeah, we're walking on cloud nine. I've been a fool to live without your love. It's like I've been waiting around for you. Why did you take so long to come to me? Maybe you were waiting round for me too. So